I see a lot of agents get burnout from a real estate career, and it typically is from one of three reasons. One of the reasons that they burn out is because they chase leads that are going nowhere. They don't do the job of asking 100 questions up front so that they don't have to tour 100 homes as a result of it. The next one is that they're burning the candle at both ends without any leverage or any administrative support. We were not meant to do this job alone, and I often see agents wear it as a badge of honor to work long hours and do it all themselves, and really all they're doing is burning themselves out. I think the third consideration is what the role that being in a community and being able to collaborate with other agents does for your own mental well-being. You can lead to burnout if you're constantly on an island by yourself, having no one else to collaborate with. Even if it's misery loves company, just having a community that is supportive and positive around you to bring you up will drastically help you to not burn out in a real estate career.